In the first part, we have seen why we use letters in algebra and what are constants and what are variables. In this part, we'll learn something more. In arithmetic, if we are writing the sum of two numbers, we write something like this, 10 plus 5 or 4 plus 3. In algebra, if we are writing the sum of numbers, we write like this, x plus 4. Instead of x, you could use any other variable, say y or z or a, b, c, anything you want. When you write subtraction, you write like this, y minus 2. Again, you could use any other variable. In case of multiplication, in arithmetic, we write multiplication of two numbers as 5 multiplied by 7 or 8 multiplied by 10. In algebra, you can write like this, 3 multiplied by m. But in algebra, what we do is, we omit the multiplication sign and we write like this, 3m. We always write the number first and then the variable. So you write it like this, 3m. This means 3 times m. 3 in this case is called as a coefficient. What is the coefficient in y minus 2? In that case, the coefficient of y is 1. Why? Because y is same as 1 multiplied by y. So y and 1y are same. So the coefficient here is 1. In the first expression, which is x plus 4, what is the coefficient of x? Again, there also the coefficient is 1. For division, if we want to write 8 divided by n, we write like this, 8 over n. Or b divided by 10 can be written as b over 10. Now let's see what does it mean by an expression. What is an expression? When we say something, it is called as an expression. We use our English expressions when we talk. For example, when I say that this is a math video, it's an expression in English. Similarly, when the expression is used in algebra, it is called as algebraic expression. Here is an example of an algebraic expression, 2y plus 10. This can be called as an algebraic expression. Now, what does this expression consist of? You know that y is a variable here and 10 is a constant. What is 2? 2 is a coefficient. And this plus sign, plus is an operator. These two things, 2y and 10, these are called as terms. So this expression has two terms. One term is 2y and another term is 10. The terms are separated by an operator. And together this whole thing forms an algebraic expression. Now let's see how to write an algebraic expression. Here we have an English expression, 5 subtracted from a number. This is written in English. How do we write this in algebra? We can write like this, x minus 5. Again, you can use any letter as a variable. I have used x here. Half of a number. This is an English expression. In algebra, we can write like this, p over 2. 7 added to the 4 times of a number. So we should use a variable for the number and we have to multiply that variable by 4 and then add 7 to it. So it will look like this, 4z plus 7. I have two terms in this expression. Area of a square. We know the formula for area of a square is the square of its side. So we can write in algebra as s square. S is the side of a square. The next thing we will see is how to find the value of an algebraic expression. In the first expression, which is x minus 5, if x is 25, the value would be 25 minus 5, that is 20. In the second expression, if p is 12, the value of the expression would be 6. In the third algebraic expression, if z is 2, 2 fours are 8 plus 7 equals 15. So the value of the algebraic expression would be 15. In case of the last expression, if the value of s is 3, then the value of this expression would be 9. That means the area of the square would be 9. And if the value of s is 6, then the value of this expression would be 36. This is how you calculate the value of an algebraic expression.